to Athar's Garage. In this video, I'll be doing an introduction video of my new project. I'm working on building a GL Racing GTR for our stock touring class at our local hobby shop, HoustonRC. So I decided to go with this particular car because it's one of the newer ones that just came out. It seems to be very competitive in our classes. So I will be doing an unboxing video of this shortly. Two option parts that I was told that you absolutely need for this particular car are the GL brass chassis. So I got the hybrid chassis because it has some extra weights that I could use to help tune the car, and I like to kind of tune and things like that, so that would be very interesting for me. So part number is GL-GTR-OP-027. And I'll put all the information for all these items in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out. Additionally, the second option part that I was told is a must-have is the GL-GTR aluminum dual steering arm with servo saver. This just makes it more robust and makes the steering more precise. So this is option part number GL-GTR-OP-004. So the kit itself was about $230. The chassis was another $60, and the servo saver set was $50. So that's roughly $350 for what you must have for the chassis. Now, some additional things that I decided to get just to make my car a little bit more precise in the way that it handles is the GL-GTR screw adjustable shock for the front, part number GL-GTR-OP-020. That was $30. I also went ahead and got the side dampers. This is GL-GTR-OP-021, $27. And then I usually race on a tighter track, so I decided to go with the aluminum steering knuckles that are 2 degrees, part number GL-GTR-OP-009-2, and those are $24. So the ones that are in the kit, I believe, are plastic and 0 degrees. So I'll probably build the kit with the must-have options and then do separate videos of when I add the option parts and why I added them. So next, I decided to go with the Hobbywing Mini 28 ESC. Been having great success with this at our local track, so I decided to go ahead and get that. Paired with that, I'm running the HoustonRC 2500 kV motor. It is censored. There is a sensor wire in here if you decide to get it. HoustonRC does a great job in getting these motors manufactured to be as close as possible for stock racing. So every motor that you get is going to be within a few percent or a few kV when you run them. So it's a great level playing field for everyone. I also decided to get the HRC servo horn. It's $8, it's aluminum. And I'm going to pair that with the HoustonRC HRC06 servo. This is great for this particular build. It's meant for these mini Z cars, and it has a very short wire, so it gives a nice clean install. Went ahead with the MXO Racing receiver. This is the RXC42-A3 for the Noble NB4. I'm going to go ahead and try out the GL Racing 2S 3600 Lipo, part number GBY003. It has a C rating of 45C. I know the PN ones are rated a little higher, but most of our local racers can't tell a difference between the two, and the pricing is the same. This was in stock at the time, so I went ahead and bought that. I'm also going to build a car with some ceramic bearings. So HoustonRC has their own line of ceramic bearings. They're $20 for 4 bearings, and these are amazing. I've seen them side to side with the bearings in the GL kits, the PN, the Kyoshos. Their cheaper bearings are much better quality than what you get in the kits, and these ceramic bearings are just amazing. So when I do the build, I'll show you how nice they spin with just putting wheel on it. So we can do a comparison with what's in the kit versus these ceramic bearings. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for the build series. Next up is going to be the unboxing of the GL-GTR, and then after that I'll start the build. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.